All right, stop scrolling for just a second. Are you looking for a real, no-hype way to make some money online using AI? I'm asking because, look, in 2026, the game has totally changed. I'm talking about beginners, people just starting out, earning money every single day with some pretty simple AI tools. And in this explainer, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can get in on this. Okay, let's just dive right in. The absolute first thing you need to get, the most critical mindset shift, is this right here. You've got to stop thinking of AI as just, another app on your phone. In 2026, AI is your new business partner. Seriously, think of it as your co-founder, the one who never sleeps, never complains, and is working 24/7 to help you build your thing from scratch. So here's our game plan. First, we're going to talk about the massive opportunity that's happening right now. Then we'll walk through the 5 key steps: choosing your tool, picking a method, actually creating the content, and then, of course, the part you're here for, how to earn and grow. And to wrap it all up, we'll look at the future, this powerful partnership between you and that new AI co-founder of yours. So first things first, why 2026? What makes this year so different from all the tech hype we've seen before? Well, it really all boils down to one word: execution. And just look at this number. This is what I mean by execution. We're talking about almost $70 billion. And that's just the initial investment flowing into the AI infrastructure of a single country, India. This isn't some theoretical number, folks. This is real cash, real concrete, building the actual platforms that you can launch a business on. The foundation is being laid as we speak. And that brings us to the most crucial point. We have officially moved past the what-if phase of AI. All around the world, the focus is now on practical, real-world uses. Governments are setting rules, and companies are actually shipping products. This global shift from just talking about it to actually doing it is exactly what opens the door for beginners like you to step in and create some real value. All right, let's get into the very first actionable step: choosing your tool. I know the landscape can feel a little overwhelming, but you don't need 1,000 different apps. The real secret is to start with one simple, powerful tool that gets you results fast. For beginners, pretty much everything you need falls into just a few key categories. You've got AI writers to whip up scripts and articles, AI video tools to bring those scripts to life, website builders to get you an online presence in like an afternoon, and social media tools to share all your work automatically. It's all about finding the right tool for the job you need to get done. So the big question is, how do you pick the right one? Here's the secret. Don't get bogged down by features. Think about your goal. What are you trying to do? If you want to become a trusted voice writing these polished, long-form blog posts, then a tool like Jasper is your best friend. It's amazing with brand voice. But hey, maybe you need to be quick and punchy on social media. Well, Copy.ai was literally built for that. Or if you're doing super detailed research-heavy guides, Hyperwrite is like having your own personal research assistant. See, your goal chooses the tool for you. Okay, so once you have your tool, you need a strategy. This is step 2, pick your method. So many beginners get burned out because they try to do everything at once. The key to actually succeeding is choosing one path and really mastering it. And here are 3 proven methods that are just perfect for using AI. You could become a freelancer, creating AI-powered content for clients. You could build a solid income stream through affiliate marketing, or you could create one of those faceless channels using YouTube automation. Let's dig into those last 2 a little deeper. Affiliate marketing sounds way more complicated than it is. This quote here explains it perfectly. Just think of yourself as a helpful matchmaker. You use AI to create great content about products people are already looking for, and then you earn a commission when they buy through your link. That's it. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service headaches. So what about YouTube automation? As the AI guy points out here, it's not some crazy secret formula. It's really just about using AI to scale up a classic, proven idea. I mean, those top 10 or top 25 list videos have worked since YouTube first started, right? Well, now AI can write the scripts, create the voiceovers, and even find the clips, letting you build a whole content engine at a scale that was just unimaginable before. Okay, let's move on to step 3. And this is where things get really, really cool. Creating your content. We're not talking about just making things one by one. We're talking about building an autonomous machine that works for you. So the core idea here has a kind of techie name. It's called an agentic workflow. I know it sounds complicated, but just forget the name for a second. Think of it like this. You've just hired a virtual team of AI specialists. You've got an AI writer, an AI video editor, an AI social media manager, the works. And the best part? They all work together automatically to turn your ideas into actual stuff without you having to micromanage every single step. It's wild. So what does this actually look like in practice? Well, imagine you publish one YouTube video, okay? That's the trigger. Your AI agent instantly grabs the script, rewrites it into 5 completely different posts that are optimized for platforms like X and LinkedIn, and then it schedules them to go out automatically. You did one piece of work, and your AI team turned it into 6. That's an agentic workflow. Now that you've got your content machine up and running, it's time for the payoff. We're gonna look at step 4, earning from that content, and then immediately jump to step 5, growing that income. This is where we turn your little system into a truly scalable business. Now, to grow, we use something called AI workflow automation. So if the agentic workflow was your AI content team, think of this as hiring an AI operations manager to run entire departments for you. It can handle really complex stuff like sales or client onboarding, things that used to need a human to make decisions every step of the way. And this chart, this right here, shows you the insane power of that AI manager. Just look at the difference. A normal sales workflow, manually researching one lead takes, 15 minutes? The AI does it in under a minute. Writing a single email, 10 minutes of your life, or it's just instant. And follow-ups, the thing we all forget to do, the AI is 100% consistent. This isn't just about saving a few minutes here and there. This is about creating opportunities that, let's be honest, you would have totally missed otherwise. So, the crucial question is, how does this all turn into money? Well, it connects directly back to the methods we talked about. You're earning ad revenue from your automated YouTube videos. You're charging client fees for the awesome content your AI helps you produce. You're collecting commissions from the affiliate links in your AI-generated blog posts. And eventually, you can even charge monthly retainers to build and manage these AI systems for other businesses. All right, let's move to our final section, which is honestly the most important one. We've talked a lot about automation, but the real future isn't about replacing humans. It's about creating a powerful partnership between human strategy and artificial intelligence. This is the question on literally everyone's mind. Is AI going to take all the creative jobs? And the answer from the people who are actually building and using these tools is a pretty clear and resounding no. But our roles are definitely changing. I absolutely love this quote because it just frames the relationship perfectly. AI is your smart co-writer. It's the most powerful assistant ever created. It can handle the research, the first draft, the data analysis, all the grunt work. But you, the human, you provide the spark of creativity, the emotional intelligence, and the final strategic vision. So what does this hybrid approach actually look like in practice? Well, the most successful creators out there right now are using this exact formula. They let the AI do the first draft just to get ideas on the page fast. Then they use other tools to optimize it, for SEO and stuff. But then, and this is the most important part, they step in and personally refine it. They add their unique voice, their stories, their personality. They make sure it actually connects with another human being. You get it? The AI does the heavy lifting, but you provide the soul. Look, in 2026, the opportunity is real and the tools are here. They're ready. You literally have a virtual team at your fingertips, one that's ready to write, build, and create for you 24/7. But they're waiting for a director. They're waiting for you. So the only question that really matters now is, what are you going to build first?